You're watching 41 Action News.
Good afternoon, I'm Taylor Himnes. Here's some 41 Action News headlines. 2 members of the Kansas City Police Department have tested positive for coronavirus. 16 other members of the department now in quarantine. We're told the department has enacted procedures and is working to quarantine those who had direct contact. Those procedures the department activated affected officers and the public. Here's department spokesperson Sergeant Jake Bakina today.
One of the things we've been doing for the last 2 weeks, this 6-foot distance has been something we're focusing on. We've been doing things like asking people to come out of their homes if we go on a call for service and keeping a distance like we have here right now today in order to ensure the safety of both the public and our officers.
Of those 2 new cases, 1 is an officer, 1 is a civilian. KCPD says their main priority is answering 911 calls. When officers respond, they will still follow those social distancing guidelines. The number of positive COVID-19 cases continues to grow, including several people who attended a church leadership conference in KCK last month. The Kansas Health Department is now warning others who attended to watch their symptoms and stay home if they get sick. The Kansas East Jurisdiction's 2020 Ministers and Workers Conference took place at the Miracle Temple Church of God in Christ between March 16th and the 22nd. It was 3 days after the Unified Government's mayor declared a state of emergency, strongly recommending people avoid large gatherings and practice social distancing. The UG's chief medical officer issued this warning, saying, quote, "It's absolutely critical that community organizations like churches, businesses, and all of our community members stay home as much as possible and avoid gatherings of more than 10 people. We sent emails to the church, and the bishop who led that event will let you know when we get a response." Workers at the GM plant in Fairfax will have to wait even longer before heading back. GM originally set a date of April the 6th for employees to go back to work, but in a letter sent to UAW Local 31, members were notified the plant will be suspending operations even longer. A new date to return to work has not even been set yet. Here's Gerard Bailey with your forecast.
Thanks, Taylor. Looks like we have a beautiful day today. Temperatures in the low 70s and lots of sunshine. Gorgeous weather. As we head into Thursday, we'll still be fairly warm, but we have a chance for some showers to show up, and we'll see a decent amount of cloud cover throughout the day as well. Still reaching the mid to upper 60s, no problem, even close to 70 degrees in a few spots. Much colder air is going to come blasting in on Friday morning with a strong cold front. The front will also bring another good chance for some rainfall. Our temperatures will be falling throughout the day, and we may only see our high temperatures early, even before sunrise, into the 50s before we see them drop into the 30s throughout the afternoon. So much colder air arriving. The good news is it will not stick around for long. We will see our temperatures recover very nicely moving into the weekend. Remember to get all your latest news and weather updates anytime on KSHB.com.